In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Drive trash. If you've accidentally deleted a file or folder in Google Drive, you can usually bring it back in just a few taps. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account on your phone and that you have an internet connection. That way, any changes you make will sync properly across your devices. Start by opening the Google Drive app on your mobile device. You'll recognize it by the triangular multicolored icon. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen for the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Tap that to open the side panel with all your Drive sections. From this side menu, choose Trash. In some regions, it might be labeled Bin. This is where Google Drive keeps items you've deleted for a limited time, typically up to 30 days. After that period, files are permanently removed and can't be restored through the app. If you're using a work or school account, your organization settings may be different, but the process here is the same. Inside Trash, scroll to find the file or folder you want to recover. You can switch sorting options to make it easier to spot recent deletions. If you're unsure it's the right item, tap it to preview details like the name, size, and when it was deleted. For multiple recoveries, you can press and hold on one item to enter selection mode, then tap other items to select them all at once. When you've located the specific item, look for the More icon next to it, the three vertical dots. Tap that to open the action menu. Among the options, choose Restore. Google Drive will then move the item out of trash and return it to its original location. If that folder no longer exists or you don't have permission to access it anymore, the restored item will typically appear in My Drive, so you can relocate it where you want. If you don't see the file you're expecting, double-check you're in the right account, and remember that items emptied from trash or deleted long ago may no longer be recoverable. For files owned by someone else that were removed from a shared folder, you might need the owner to restore or reshare them. That's it, quick and straightforward. Open Drive, go to the menu, select Trash or Bin, find your file, tap the three dots, and tap Restore. With these steps, you can confidently recover accidental deletions and get back to work without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your files safe and accessible.